Hi everyone, my name is Iqrah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Xcode for your MacBook. Xcode is an IDE, stands for Integrated Development Environment. Basically, the code editor used for writing, compiling, debugging, and testing apps for Apple products. It is an IDE that was developed by Apple to be installed on macOS, so that is the main criteria for you to be able to install Xcode, that you need to have a machine running macOS, which is basically your MacBook. So in order to install Xcode on your Mac, the process is pretty much the same as installing an app from the App Store. So first open App Store. You could either click on Spotlight Search or press Command plus space. Start typing App Store and open it. Next, on the search bar, type Xcode and hopefully you should be able to click on Get option to then start your installation process. The installation does take quite a while, so please be patient. It could be that sometimes you might have compatibility issues. This could be for a number of reasons, the most common being you running an older version of macOS that is not supported by the latest version of Xcode available in the App Store. To get around this issue, you could either update your macOS by going to the System Preference/Settings and software your update that way. Or if you do not want to update your macOS, you could find an older version of Xcode to download. This you won't be able to do from the App Store. Rather, go to the Xcode information on Apple developer website. Scroll down to Minimum Requirements and Supported SDKs to find the version of Xcode that is compatible to the macOS you have. So let's say I have macOS Big Sur 11 running. In that case, I can download Xcode 12.5. So that is the version I will search for on Apple developer platform. You need to be signed in with your Apple developer iCloud account to access this website. There is no need to pay for the membership. As long as you have a free account set up and signed in, the link should work. I will link both of these websites in the description below. So once you have selected the right version of Xcode that can be downloaded for your macOS, go ahead and download the zip file and install it. Again, the download does take quite a while and takes quite a bit of space, so make sure you have good internet connection and enough storage space. Once the zip file is downloaded, open it. Once it finishes unzipping, click on the Xcode icon, agree to the terms and conditions, enter your system password, and hopefully after that you should be able to open Xcode like any other application. As long as you see this window where you get the option to create a new project, you're good to go. Best of luck with the rest of your iOS development journey. Okay, bye!